everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD. On today's video, it will be the unboxing of my April Allure beauty box. So if you're interested to see what I received in my April Allure beauty box, make sure to stay tuned. But as always, if you are new to my channel, I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. And if you want to see more of my content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the little bell right next to it. And that is the only way that you will ever be notified anytime that I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get into our April Allure beauty box unboxing. So I just got back home and found this in my mailbox. So we're going to go ahead and open it on camera. I have no idea what is in this, but before I do open it, I do want to tell you guys a little bit about what the Allure beauty box is. This is another subscription service that you do receive directly to your door, mailbox, what have you. And it does cost about $15, and I think change, or maybe it's just $15, and you do receive it every single month. You do get a variety of items, and for the most part they're all like very deluxe size samples. I want to say maybe 4 to 5 products, and like I said, it is a subscription service. I don't think I have a referral link. I may, and I just keep missing it every time I log into my account. But if you are not receiving a beauty box and you would like to, this is the website that you can go to. As far as I know, I don't think they give you one, but they might. And if they do, and I say this every single month and forget to look, but if they do give you a referral code when you sign up, I will leave it in my description box for you guys. Okay, so getting right into it. This is what the inside looks like. It says exclusive promo codes are inside this little pamphlet. I will tell you guys, the box smells like it's minty or something. Okay, so this is the little pamphlet. And the nice thing about this is it gives you a little FYI on all the products. Some of the products do come with, sorry, I got a little sneak peek and I'm really excited about one of the things I saw in here that I've never tried before. So I'm like, but some of the items do come with promo codes, so you can get discounts. So, getting right into it. Let's see, what is this? A makeup eraser sampler. A reusable makeup remover. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you guys. I mean, how cute is this packaging? You guys know I'm a package junkie. Okay, so it literally is a little sample of it. And I will tell you guys, I actually do have one of these because I believe I received it a couple years ago in my Boxycharm. And it really, truly does work. Like, all you have to do is get it wet. You don't use any types of soap or balms or cleansers or anything. You just get it wet and then psh, and it removes your makeup. It is, as Coffee Break with Danny would say, what is this sorcery? Because they truly work. It does come with a 25% off coupon code, so it just says just water. So if you guys want 25% off of your little makeup eraser, then head over to makeuperaser.com and use code just water. I'm not sponsored, affiliated. I do purchase all of these products, not products, but all of these subscription boxes out of my own pocket. And but this is just a coupon code that everybody will receive in their box. Okay, so the next item I received is by Kors. This is a little glimpse of what I saw in the pamphlet. This is a balancing cream gel moisturizer for oily to combination skin. Yay. Because normally my skin is pretty normal out here, but the T-zone can get pretty oily. So I'm very excited about that. Let's see if there is any coupon codes that come with this. This does say it's a lightweight moisturizer, is made for oily to combination skin. And oh, you do get a 20% off coupon code if you go straight to their website and use Allure 20. Okay, so the next item I see in here, it's a gel color. It's a lip and cheek balm. That's interesting. And J Mama. And this is just from Nude Sticks. Oh, okay. That's the shade of it. So I would totally use that shade on my cheeks. I don't know how I feel about the fact that it's a cream blush. And it definitely feels thick like a lipstick. So I don't know about that one. Okay, so the next item I did receive is a classic conditioner for healthy, luxurious hair. I don't know how to say it. You know what? I'm not even going to say it. It's this brand right here, so You guys know I don't enunciate things well. The nice thing about this is it does say it is certified organic, and I wonder if this is what I was smelling. It is. Oh, look at this. It does come with a shampoo as well. So you get a nice little duo set here of shampoo and conditioner. I do want to mention real quick, this is a full size and it does retail for $24. You can receive 10% off if you do go to nudesticks.com, and you just enter Allure 10 as the coupon code. Now this, like I said, is a shampoo and conditioner. Each bottle full size retails for shampoo $34, conditioner is $36. It does look like if you enter code Allure, you will get free shipping on your order until June 1st. The last item I did receive in my Allure beauty box is a deluxe sample size, and this is Stellar. This is a primer. It's a brilliant primer. Let's see what we can find out about this. Really downplays the shine, and it does have a pink tint to it and a shimmer, which does have a shimmer that lightly brightens the skin. It does retail for $42. You can pick this up at Sephora. I've honestly never tried this product or tried this brand before, but like I said, it does retail for $42. There is no coupon code on it. So that is all of my items that I did receive in this month's Allure beauty box. To be totally honest with you guys, I don't think that this is one of my favorite boxes that I've ever received from them. I am excited to try this. I hear wonderful things about Course, and so this I am excited to be trying out. Like I said, I think this is going to be a really pretty lipstick, but not so much something that I would use as a blush, but you never know. I mean, with summer coming up, you wear less and less makeup. Maybe stick a little bit of that on there. I don't know how it would wear during the summer in the heat. Like I said, I've not tried this brand out or anything from the brand. I've honestly never heard of this brand before, so I am excited to try this out. I love always trying new primers out. I have a lot of new ones to be trying out, from receiving some in the glossy box and receiving some in the Allure box, and of course this, which is, like I said, organic and expensive, but we're gonna give it a try anyway. So I'm always looking for something that is good for my hair and will beautify it, you know? So anyways, like I told you guys, this is good. It is kind of corny. I feel like just receiving this little square in my Boxycharm. I did get like a nice long one, but these do work, and like I said, there is a coupon code for the 25% off. So overall, like I said, this definitely wasn't one of my favorite boxes that I received from them, but there are a couple products in there that are worth trying out, in my opinion. The nice thing about subscription boxes, like I always tell you guys, is yes, you're paying like $15, $20, whatever. Like this one in particular is only $15, but you're getting to try out high-end luxury products. So this is why I like getting these kind of sizes and stuff to try out and test out before purchasing the big product of those. I hope that makes sense, guys. I've been a little off today on my filming, rambling. The editing is not going to be fun. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button down below. And until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.